Hello everyone. I want to share with you with the idea how to turn your old refrigerator into air conditioner and water generator out of thin air. I didn't make a video how I had made it because it's very simple in construction. It's very simple. You only put exhaust fan in front of the freezer, and outlet ventilation hole, and when you blow hot air or warm air, here comes cold air. It's very cold, and you can use it as air conditioner. Also, if you want to make water out of thin air, you should at first freeze at night at extreme cold temperature, because it won't work if you don't freeze. You should freeze water in glass or plastic dishes, and when here's ice, you switch on exhaust fan. It blows warm air, and ice will melt down and water will condensate in the bottles or glasses. Then it will turn into water. At night I had freezed, and at 12 o'clock at the noon I switched on exhaust fan, and after 8 or 9 hours I made only 1 liter of water. I expected more results, but it failed. Maybe it's because the size is very small. And at first I made it different. I covered backside of the refrigerator with metal sheet, made holes for air inlet and air outlet, 2 holes, and with this tube, with the help of this tube, exhaust fan was fixed in this sheet of metal, and with the help of the fan I blowed the exhaust fan blowed hot air, because the pipes are very hot, the air also hot, and I blowed hot air, and ice will melt quickly. It's very simple in construction. You also can use it as a refrigerator. If you liked it, please push the button like, subscribe and share.